Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit videos in slow motion using CapCut. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to create smooth cinematic slow motion effects for your videos. Let's get started. The very first step is to import the video that you want to edit into the CapCut. Open the CapCut. Now go ahead and click on New Project. Now select the video that you want to turn into slow motion clip. Once you select the video, click on Add. After importing your video, the next thing we need to do is adjust the volume. For this, select the video clip that you have added and then look for the volume option in the bottom toolbar. Now click on volume and set it all the way down to 0. This step will mute the original audio from the video, which helps avoid any distortion when we slow it down. Later on, you can always add music or sound effects to your final video if you prefer. Now comes the key part, adjusting the speed of the video to create that slow motion effect. With your video still selected, click on speed button at the bottom. You will see options. The first is normal and curve. So we're going to stick with normal for this slow motion. Now what you have to do is set the speed to 0.3. This is a sweet spot for slow motion because it is slow enough to capture that smooth effect without being too choppy. Make sure to watch the video playback after adjusting the speed to see if it's look good to you. Next, what you have to do is duplicate your video clip to create an overlay. For this, you will find the option of copy or duplicate at the bottom. Click on it and this will create an exact copy of your original video clip. Now we are going to work with this copy to refine the slow motion effect. After copying the video, the next step is to use the overlay feature. So click on this overlay button at the bottom of your screen and you will see your second video clip pop up as an overlay. Now carefully align the second clip directly over the original video so they are perfectly in sync. Now here's an important step. Select the second video clip and trim off exactly 0.1 second. For example, here, the clip I'm using is 27.3 second long, so I'm going to trim it to 27.2 second long. The small adjustment is what makes the final effect so smooth. With both clips aligned and trimmed, click on Splice. Now this will open a set of blending options. And set the splice value around 30. This will blend the two clips together seamlessly and give you that polished slow motion look. And once you've done that, you can now play back the video to check how it looks. You should notice a very smooth slow motion effect with no glitch or jumps. And now here you can see, this is before and this is the after part. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.